Hi, everybody. This is Travis Parker from Rule One. Hey, I just got done reading an interesting article in the Wall Street Journal about Netflix jumping after they instituted a password sharing crackdown. And this password sharing crackdown started in May, and basically what it did is it forced users who were sharing an account outside the same home to pay an additional $7.99 a month to watch. And Netflix is a company that we follow and is a great example of an inflation resilient business. And so, one of the key questions that we ask when analyzing a company's competitive advantage or that moat that protects them from competition is whether the company can actually raise prices at or above the rate of inflation without impacting demand. So if you think about this, it's similar to a price increase. Many people that were sharing their Netflix login now have to pay money rather than splitting the subscription fee with their family or friends. And according to this article, there's a third party company that follows the industry and basically saw Netflix subscriptions increase more than any other 4-day period since they started collecting data back in 2019. And Netflix has actually raised prices at least 6 times since 2014. And over that same period has grown their subscribers from about 50 million to over 220 million, which is about a 340% increase over that 8 or 9 year window. And this is just a great example of a company that's built a business with a huge moat that can raise prices during an inflationary environment. And that's a key quality that we hunt for here at the Rule One community. Thanks for listening, and we will see you next time.